Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to begin with have a domain controller. So we are starting with Active Directory domain controller home server, so you can do that. So guys, first thing first, we are going to do start our 2012 virtual machine. First, we are going to set up a small things which we always needed to have a. First, we are going to set up our server for to begin with the Active Directory. So first, we are going to do. We can do Windows break. And once you do the Windows break, then you are here. As you see, the computer name is WinQ2SP005F blah blah blah, which is very difficult to remember and which is very important to change, because later on, not in 2012 but in 2016, as I tested before, if you don't change the default computer name, it's cause problems because it's default. So they want you to change, because I tried Active Directory and it goes bizarre. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to change computer name, going to change settings, then we are going to the change, and then we are going to name. This is DC, so I'm going to give domain controller DC name, nothing else. Make it more easier than anything else. So I'm giving DC, okay, close. It's asking for restart, but I'm not going to do it because I have some other settings needs to change. If you already have all of the settings changed, then you can restart. So I'm going to restart later. So it will change to DC, so that's done. And then we are going to network, and in network we are going to give him a static IP address. So what the static IP address is going to do, it will not change, it will always the same, so we know which IP address is allocated to this server all the time. And then basic details, and here we are going to give the IP address for me. Okay, so now we gave him, now it's going to identify and it's going to check if 40 is not using anywhere, and see, as you see, the network to it created a new network for it. So that's done, and now we are going to restart our system. So guys, it's restarted, and now we are going to test we're going to check, actually not test, we're going to check if the settings are changed. For that we can do Windows break, Windows logo break, and as you see, the DC names and everything is changed. If we go to CMD, IP config, and it's changed to 40, everything is what we needed. Our DNS is 40, so everything is in order. And one more thing I want to add it on this video, if you normally if you're working on a server, you cannot do that because usually server doesn't come with the sound facilities. But if you have, like I'm using a laptop, if you have that, you can do right click on your sound and sound click. So it will ask you, this computer cannot be play audio because the audio service is not enabled. Would you like to enable? And I will say yes, and voila, it's enabled. And now I can use as in sound facilities. But usually if you're working on a server, The server doesn't comes with the sound facility. You have to put a special card in it to have a sound facilities. But anyways, if you are using in your normal computer for testing and everything, and still you want to watch YouTube for any help, then you can right click and go to the sound, and then it will automatically turn on your sound, because by default it doesn't come with the sound facility. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and the next video will be how to add the roles and how we're going to add the active directories. So guys, till then, thank you very much and enjoy the videos. Bye bye.